Hi students, welcome to another session on Yashraj Education Solutions. Today I'm here with the case-based questions on the first chapter, Stakeholders in a Commercial Organization, Commercial Studies, Class 10th ICSE Board. Case-based questions form a very important part of the question papers with the change in the pattern of paper where competency-based questions are to be included in the question papers. It's important for the students to have an understanding of how to understand and identify what is being asked in the question related to the case-based questions. So the first question, imagine you are the owner of a small manufacturing company. एक छोटी सी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है जो लोन लेना चाहती है फ्रॉम अ बैंक, ओके, टू बाय द न्यू मशीनरी। अब आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है यहाँ किस स्टेक होल्डर की बात हो रही है और क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं। तो सबसे पहला एक सेंटेंस में, वन फुल कंप्लीट सेंटेंस में आपको आंसर करना होगा विच विल कैरी 1 mark। द स्टेक होल्डर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दिस सिनेरियो इज द creditor. This will carry 1 mark. Next, you will have to mention at least 4 points of expectations of the creditor. जिसमें आ जाता है फर्स्ट, सेफ्टी ऑफ द लोन्स। ओके, लोन सुरक्षित होगा तभी क्रेडिटर हैप्पी होगा इन गिविंग द लोन टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सेफ्टी ऑफ लोन्स अगर नहीं है तो लोन देने में the creditor will always have a problem. Second is regular payment of interest at the specified times. Whatever time period, okay, whatever is the time period in which you have scheduled the payment of the interest, say for example first week of every month, अगर आपने commit किया है that I will service the loan, I will give the interest on the loan payment in a regular time period, that has to be complied with. Third, return of loans on the expiry of the specified time period. जब भी लोन दिया जाता है तो एक फिक्स टेन्योर के लिए लोन दिया जा रहा है, तो वो टेन्योर इट कुड बी 3 years, इट कुड बी 5 years, इट कुड बी 10 years, whatever is the duration of the loan. Accordingly, you are expecting that at the end of the term of the loan, the organization will be able to get back whatever amount it has extended as credit. So before the expiry of the specified time period, the creditor is always expecting that the loans will come back to him. So that's an obvious expectation from the creditor. Fourth is accurate and up-to-date information about the financial health of the enterprise. अगर financial stability नहीं है organization की, तो creditor will always want to take back the money. And that is where he is always wanting to understand what is the financial standing of the organization. क्या financially sound position में चल रही है organization? क्या हमारा interest time से आने वाला है? क्या end of the time period क्या organization हमारे loan को वापस दे पाएगी? That is what is going to be expected out of the organization. Fifth is security in the form of mortgage of assets or personal guarantee by the enterprise. जब भी लोन दिया जाएगा अगर secured लोन है तो obviously the creditor would always want to understand what is going to be given as a security or as a mortgage. And given that condition, they would always want to get the entire information about the mortgaged asset. या कोई पर्सनल गारंटी कोई दे रहा है, कोई व्यक्ति दे रहा है, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे रही है, तो वो गारंटी को भी properly evaluate किया जाएगा. तो expectation of the stakeholder here would also mean here that the stakeholder is expecting that the security that he is expecting or the mortgage that he is expecting, he has to get complete information about that mortgaged asset. Next is Akash and Company is one of the electronic appliance accessory suppliers to LG Electronics Company. LG electronic gadgets में deal करती है, आपके television sets, refrigerators and many other electronic gadgets are manufactured by LG Electronics. Now Akash and Company इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंसेस के एक्सेसरीज प्रोवाइड कर रही है, इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस जो भी रिक्वायर्ड है वो प्रोवाइड कर रही है. स्टेट द एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ आकाश एंड कंपनी फ्रॉम एलजी लिमिटेड. तो बेसिकली आकाश एंड कंपनी सप्लायर होगा जो सप्लाई करेगा एक्सेसरीज टू एलजी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. द फर्स्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन विल बी फेयर प्राइसेस फॉर द सप्लाईज, दैट जो भी सप्लाईज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देने वाली है, आकाश कंपनी देने वाली है, they will get the right dues for their supplies. Whatever is the market rate, normally expect करते हैं कि market rate, whatever be the discount that the organization wants to give, at least equal to or anything very close to the market price would be expected by the supplier. Second, regular and timely payment according to terms and conditions. हर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो लोन का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है उसमें टाइम of payment of interest, time of repayment of the loan, various other terms and conditions, everything has to be specified. So expectation of the stakeholder here, the supplier that we are talking of, is that he needs to get regular and timely payments based on the credit terms. Third, reasonable terms of delivery and payment. The the creditor is always expecting that there are reasonable terms of delivery and payment that are there, and every month he is going to be he is going to get the entire details of the terms and conditions of payment. They are something, they are something which can be abided by, like that, for example, delivery of the materials can be done within a week's time of placing an order. This is a term and condition that is placed in the contract. The payment of the amount for the goods to be done, or the repayment of the interest amount and the loan to be done in that condition, maybe in the first week of the month it has to be done. So that is again a reasonable term of delivery and payment. Regular orders for supply. The supplier is always expecting that orders are coming on a regular basis from the company, that good relations are built with the organization, and based on those good relations, the organization will be able to give regular orders to this company, which is called as Akash and Company. Fifth is correct information about the company's financial position. फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन की प्रॉपर जानकारी मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और रेगुलर इंटरवल पे बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्रेडिटर की बात हो रही है कि तो क्रेडिटर ऑलवेज वांट्स टू नो व्हाट इज द फाइनेंशियल स्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एट एवरी पॉइंट इन टाइम. सो करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन देना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, विच इज़ एन एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द स्टेक होल्डर. Then coming to the next condition is where healthy and cooperative inter-business relation. क्योंकि दोनों बिजनेसेस हैं, ये सी टू सी वाला काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर है, जहाँ पे कंपनी टू या बिजनेस टू बिजनेस, बी टू बी वाला रिलेशन है, वेयर बिजनेस इज इंटरेक्टिंग विद अनदर बिजनेस. हेल्दी एंड कोऑपरेटिव इंटर बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप होना ज़रूरी है. हेल्दी रिलेशंस अगर नहीं होंगे तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक नहीं चल पाएगा. तो सप्लायर्स वुड ऑलवेज वांट टू हैव regular dealing with this particular organization, and therefore this also can be identified as one of the expectations of the suppliers. Okay, next is the bakery company. Okay, there's a bakery company which has newly expanded its production unit in a town. Local residents want the firm to operate in a socially responsible manner and benefit the community. So जब भी कोई भी organization किसी भी area में locate करती है अपने आप को, तो obviously उस area की जो the local residents हैं वो society का part होते हैं, और general public is also affected largely by the operations of the organization. So based on the given situation, identify the stakeholder involved and state any two expectations this stakeholder would have from the business. इस business से क्या benefit मिल सकता है, जनरल पब्लिक क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती है. तो यहाँ सबसे पहला आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है full sentence that the stakeholder involved in the above case is the general public. Expectations में first is to protect the environment and from all types of pollution. कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किसी भी एनवायरनमेंट में काम करती है, किसी भी लोकेलिटी में काम करती है, तो वहाँ के लोकल रेजिडेंट्स ऑलवेज इस चीज़ के लिए एप्रीहेंसिव होते हैं कि ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर यहाँ इस्टेब्लिश हो गई तो ये कहीं पोल्यूशन तो नहीं क्रिएट करेगी, कहीं हमारी हेल्थ पर तो नहीं असर पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज वाई प्रोटेक्टिंग द एनवायरनमेंट फ्रॉम ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल मेजर्स एडिक्वेटली अडॉप्टेड होने चाहिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के. And that is when the organization से ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है. एक्सपेक्टेशंस में सेकंड इज टू प्रिजर्व सोशल एंड कल्चरल वैल्यूज. ओके, किसी भी सोसाइटी में हम बिलोंग करते हैं तो हमेशा हमें उस सोसाइटी के नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करना होता है. कुछ कल्चरल वैल्यूज होती हैं उस सोसाइटी की, उनको हमें फॉलो करना होता है. वॉट एवर कल्चरल नॉर्म्स आर देयर इन इंडियन environment may not be the same in another country like in America or in UK. So the societal expectations also have to be taken into consideration when you are, operating in a particular environment. So supplier will also expect this. The next coming to another case where Mr. Sharma is an employee in a manufacturing company, which was promised a safe work environment by the organization. आपने safe work environment के लिए okay, they had promised. They had promised, and here, due to negligence in maintaining safety standards, he suffered a workplace injury. अब काम करते समय किसी तरीके की इंजरी फेस की इस एम्प्लॉई ने. ओके, सो हियर आइडेंटिफाइड एक्सपेक्ट वन, द स्टेक होल्डर इज द एम्प्लॉई. इंटरनल स्टेक होल्डर है और एम्प्लॉई है. सेकंड, आप यहाँ पे जब एक्सपेक्टेशन की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे expectation from the employee from their employers that was mentioned, that was violated in this case was that आपने safe working conditions नहीं provide की. So that is one. The expectations में the key expectation of shareholder, sorry, the key expectations um, of the employee who is working inside this organization would be that he needs a safe working environment. Employees expect a healthy and secure workplace with proper safety measures to prevent injuries. And second, stakeholders and their role in this organization.